Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a list from text using the writing tool with Apple Intelligent. So let's get started. Now, first thing is you need to enable and turn on Apple Intelligent by going into your settings and then going to Apple Intelligent, and you should have this turned on. If not, you need to update your iPhone to 18.1 and have a compatible device like the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or any of the iPhone 16 lineup, which will allow you to join Apple Intelligent and turn it on. Now, once you have turned on Apple Intelligent, let's go ahead and find a text that I want the list summary for. So I'll go ahead and open up here an article like this one here. Now select the text from here by pressing and holding, and let's go ahead and click on writing tools, and then there's a feature called key points and list and table and summary. So if I want a list, I tap on that and it will start generating a list for this article that I'm reading, and it works great for text, email, any notes that you have to summarize it in a list format for easily a readable text for you. And that's how I use it, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.